Good morning, class. Welcome back to Unbali Creole. This is lesson 11, Haitian Creole 101. Now, you're looking at your screen. In this lesson, you're going to present yourself, and that's what that title says in Creole. Prezante Tèt. Let us know who you are. That's what that is. Prezante Tèt. Alright, and we're going to read this. We're going to read this text. You follow with me. You're going to practice reading it yourself. Let's do this. Ready? Let's go. Mwen rele Joseph. Mwen gen 20 ans. Mwen fèt 20 janvier 2000 nan Okay, zone sud, pays Haïti. Mwen entre Port-au-Prince le mwen te gen 13 ans. Pou mwen te ka komanse études secondaires mwen. Mwen entre nan faculté médecine le mwen te gen 18 ans. Kounye ya, mwen nan 3e année. Mwen espere fini ak étude sa nan 3 ans encore. Le mwen fin gen diplôme mwen, m'a retourné au Kai pour mwen ka baye population en soins médical. That was it. That was this text. Now, I would like for you to practice it. Practice reading it. Let's start slowly. So you're doing that with me, slowly. Mwen rele Joseph. You do that. You repeat that. Mwen rele Joseph. Mwen rele Joseph. My name is Joseph. Mwen gen 20 ans. Mwen gen 20 ans. Mwen gen 20 ans. I am 20 years old. Mwen gen 20 ans. Now, very quick, let's say this. In Creole, to tell your age, you use the verb to have. In Creole, that is. But in English, you use to be, to say that I am 20 years old. But in Creole, we say mwen gen, to have. We use to have. Mwen gen 20 ans. Mwen fèt 20 janvier 2000 nan Okay. Mwen fèt 20 janvier 2000 nan Okay. Mwen fèt 20 janvier 2000 nan Okay. I was born January 20th, 2000 in Kai. That's the name of the city. Or in Okay, let's say in Okay. Kai is the French name, but in Creole we call them Okay. But in French it's Kai. Let's say it again. Mwen fèt 20 janvier 2000 nan Okay. Mwen fèt 20 janvier 2000 nan Okay. I was born January 20th, 2000 in Okay. Zone sud, pays Haïti. Zone sud, pays Haïti. Zone sud, pays Haïti. In the southern part of Haiti. Mwen entre Port-au-Prince le mwen te gen 13 ans. Mwen entre Port-au-Prince le mwen te gen 13 ans. Mwen entre Port-au-Prince le mwen te gen 13 ans. I went to Port-au-Prince when I was 13 years old. Pou mwen te ka komanse études secondaires mwen. Pou mwen te ka komanse études secondaires mwen. For me to start my high school studies. Mwen entre nan faculté médecine le mwen te gen 18 ans. Mwen entre nan faculté médecine le mwen te gen 18 ans. That word faculty is what we call college here in the US. Faculty. So that would mean that I started my medical studies when I was 18. I started my medical studies when I was 18 years old. Kounye ya, mwen nan 3e année. Kounye ya, mwen nan 3e année. Kounye ya, mwen nan 3e année. Now, I'm in my 3rd year. Mwen espere fini ak étude sa nan 3 ans encore. Mwen espere fini ak étude sa nan 3 ans encore. Mwen espere fini ak étude sa nan 3 ans encore. I hope to finish with my medical studies in 3 more years. Le mwen fin gen diplôme mwen. 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 When I'm done having my diploma, or when I have my diploma, m'ap retourne au kay. M'ap retourne au kay. I'll go back to Okai. I'll go back to Okai. M'ap retourne au kay. Pour mwen ka bay population en soins médicaux. Pour mwen ka bay population en soins médicaux. For me to take care of the population. For me to take care of the population. So that's what that is. That was this text. Now what you're gonna do, we're gonna keep practicing this. Try to repeat it on your own and then try to repeat it with me as I'm repeating it, right? And you keep going back. Go start over with the lesson until you master it, until you get it, you pronounce it right, and then with ease, right? You're getting there. I can tell. Now, let's go count. Would you like to count with me again today? Let's do that. Let's go to the next slide.